Hey everybody. All right, we're live. Okay. So thanks for joining us today. And so what we're going to do today is we're going to try to make a podcast by just using AI tools. So we're going to use Claude, ChatGPT, and then a tool called Descript to try to make a podcast without us recording anything. So we are going to let's get started. Let's get started. And let's start getting into. All right, we're going to start with. All right, first up, we are going to get into Claude and we're going to start trying to generating our text. So we're going to use ElevenLabs text to speech custom GPT. We're going to have Claude write us our little story. And then we're going to use Descript to go ahead and kind of make this into something real. So I started a prompt here, but we'll finish it off together. So I want you to help me write a short podcast for kids. I want to limit it to 1,500 characters. The main characters of the story is Jamie and their 3 fluffy feline friends, Mickey, Cinnamon, and Betty. They live in a town called, oh wait, I forgot the name of it. Candy Cane Park. Town called Candy Cane Park. I want each episode to feature a villain that is related to candy somehow. I didn't realize I could do formatting in there. Yeah, so we want and let's just see what Claude gives us. Okay, so actually we've got a full-on The Licorice Menace. Okay, great new episode title. Okay, so sounds of cat meowing. Okay, so this is good. We got the Licorice Lord. It's a short little story, but let's clean it up a little bit. Can you remove the what are those things called? Like directions. Can you remove any notes that doesn't have a speaker? All right, so let's see if we can. Oh yeah, there we go. Oh wait, let's change it. I think we're using the custom GPT, so we're only gonna have one voice. So let's see. Can you rewrite this so that it is a script for one person? All right, so let's do that. Let's see what we got. All right, so we get a much better script. All right, we'll actually wait until we get to the voice to see if we like it. Let's go right into that. All right, let's let's hop on over to our GPT. And can you convert this to speech for us? All right, so let's do this. Oh, look at that. Okay, so we got 5 options, but let's do the one that's great for children's stories. Let's do number 5. All right, awesome. All right, so it looks like the GPT is working. All right, it's going to go ahead and all right, it's a little too long, so we're going to do 2 parts. All right, so it's doing its thing. All right, we can listen to part 1 now.
3 fluffy feline friends, Mickey, Cinnamon, and Betty, are always ready for adventure. Today, as our heroes stroll through the park, Jamie suddenly exclaims, "Oh no, guys! Look at the park! All the cats respond with worried meows. Cinnamon sniffs the air and says, "I smell licorice." Betty hisses and alerts the others. "Look over there." They spot a tall, dark figure twirling a licorice wand. The figure cackles and announces in a deep, menacing voice, "Mwahaha! I am the
All right,
Licorice
I
Lord."
like that. I like that. All right, let's go back over here. And then we got part 2.
"Kiddies, we need a plan." The cats spring into action, meowing and pouncing. Mickey chases a licorice strand. Cinnamon jumps at the Licorice Lord's feet, and Betty climbs up his back.
All right, I think we work. All right, so let's download. All right, let's download these MP3s. These are pretty good. All right, so let's add these into our Descript project. Let's see what we get here. All right, we're doing a little transcription. And we'll wait and we'll import our other one. All right. All right, what do we got here? We're still doing a little transcription, it looks like. All right, this looks pretty good. Let's check the sound quality.
A welcome to Candy Cane Park, where Jamie and their 3 fluffy feline friends, Mickey, Cinnamon, and Betty, are always ready for adventure. Today, as our heroes stroll through the park, Jamie suddenly exclaims, "Oh no, guys! Look at the park! All the colorful flowers are turning black." The cats respond with worried meows.
All right, that's pretty nice. That's pretty nice. Okay, so let's do, what was the title Claude gave us? Let's go back to Claude. Oop. Sorry, everybody. Lost our screen share there. There we go. All right. So Claude calls this the licorice menace. Licorice menace. Licorice menace. All right, so let's go into Descript. And okay, this is a pretty good what do we got? Little under 2 minutes, short and sweet story. Do we want to add anything else to it? Nah, let's just export our MP3. And we actually already published a show. This is going to be a new episode. So let's set up our And let's also see if we can actually get. All right, we got the MP3 loaded. So actually, let's see if we can get a custom image for this, as well as a little show notes here. So can you make us a custom image for this text? Oh, sorry. Let's share the tab here. So let's see if we can get a kind of a DALL-E image based on that text to go with our show notes here. Oh man, that's pretty cool. I really like that actually. All right, let's load that in. All right, let's load this into our podcast. Sorry, everybody got a little warning here on my stream. Just want to make sure everything's good. Okay, so let's try that again. That didn't look good. Let's do that. Okay, crop it. The file's not an image. What does that mean? Oh, it's a WebP. Ugh. Can you make this a JPEG? All right, let's go back and try to get a JPEG going. Can I have a link to download? Why won't you let me download this ChatGPT? Oh, come on. All right, let's just do a new chat. Ooh, excuse me. Yeah, let's just do a new chat. Let's upload. Downloads. All right, can you convert this to a PNG? Oh, well, PNG, that's fine. I just want to make sure we get. All right, download. Did it download? Okay, it looks like it downloaded. Sweet. All right, so now we're going to go back to try to get this guy published here. I hate that so much. Can you make sure this image is a perfect square? All right. We gotta do some more editing, which is, it happens. But let's see if this can handle that. All right. All right, we got the perfect square now. Oh yeah, way better. Let's see if it translates. Okay, way better. Oh, I keep forgetting to switch tabs. Here we go. So way better podcast art. That looks really good. All right, let's go back to. We need all right, we need a couple more things, and then I think we could publish this guy. I think we gotta just get some show notes here. Can you write a short description for this? Excuse me. Oh no. Can you write it for this text? Oh wait, they did already. Let's see. Join Jamie and the three fluffy friends as they embark on a whimsical, thrilling adventure in Candy Cane Park. In this episode, our hero faces a dark new villain, the Licorice Lord, who threatens to turn the colorful. Okay. We'll take that. Yeah, we'll take that. All right, we got everything we wanted. What is this, episode 2, season 1? Oh, sorry, I keep forgetting to switch tabs. Episode 1, season 2, Licorice Menace. It's looking good. Let's go ahead and publish. And we are up. Oh, all right, I'll fix that later. Yep. All right. I think we are done. I think we got it up. Let's just double check. All right. Well, so that was, pretty quick. We were able to get kind of some original text. We converted that to. Oh, excuse me. Sorry, I gotta apologize for the yawn during the stream. All right, so we took Claude. We got some text. We made some edits. Nothing too crazy though, because it was a pretty good story. We went into the ChatGPT. We used a custom GPT. Got MP3s out of it so that we can then put it into Descript. I don't think we really edited anything actually in Descript. We didn't use anything other than kind of comboing the two parts together. So some quick audio editing. And then we used DALL-E to generate us an custom image for the episode. And then yeah, I guess that's about it. So not too bad. So I just wanted to kind of show you how you can kind of use a couple different tools and why sometimes it is nice to kind of leverage some different things, actually using Claude to do some writing, and then ChatGPT to get us some images and other things like that. But that goes to show you can kind of get creative with some of this stuff too, right? And so I think it's pretty cool, and I think it just shows that like there's a lot of power with these things. So thanks for stopping by, everybody. If you've made it this long, please subscribe, give us a comment. We would appreciate it. And thanks for watching us today. Thanks for joining the stream, and we'll see you next time. Thanks, everybody.